All right, let's take a look around the 1600s here. These have the full-length chip conveyors. They got the Fanuc 0i MF Plus control on it. These are 50 taper, 6K RPM geared heads. They are big plus. They got that dual contact spindle. There you can see the chip conveyor in there. These come with the Renishaw optical probe receivers. And we have a 30 tool changer over here. I'll give you a look at that. There you go. And we got our wash down stations on each side here with a slanted bed so it directs chips down into the conveyors. So these machines are ready for some heavy hogging. Another thing I wanted to point out is our 290 PSI CTS pump right there. So we bring in all of our mills with 290 through the spindle.